Maybe I will just lie down and rest for a while.
So, do you want us to reward you with something?
Did you eat all of these pastries already? Huh? Did you eat all the cake and still sleep like that?
Oh, okay.
If you keep eating like this, you won't be able to survive.
You're eating like a pig.
Don't bother me. I just want to rest. Did you eat all of these pastries already? Looks like all you'll be able to do is just pass gas. We need to stop it quickly, or the whole island will be polluted. What's going on? The whole sky is covered in bubbles. Fu, stop bothering me. We need to stop it quickly, or the whole island will be polluted. Sorry, everyone. I ate too many pastries. I'm back to normal now.
So, do you want us to reward you with something?
Yep.
Here! The treasure is located in the sunken temple beneath the ocean.
Are we really going there?
Oh! Found something. A bunch of kids hunting for treasure too.
Who are you?
I'm a treasure hunter. And this treasure is ours. Come on!
Move on!
Let's go!
A shark swimming on land. What kind of world are we living in? You did that yourself, not us. It's not just dirtier, it's also faster. Awesome! It's stuck now. No, it's pulling the entire rock out of the ground. We must strike back now. Let's fry this shark together.
Okay, let's go!
Who forget I'm armored? Two-legged creature.
Help me! Help me! Where's this place?
The shark is jumping down there. What is that water? It upgraded. Now it's turned yellow.
Did we just make it even tough?
We need to use something crazier to take it down.
Like what?
Let's lure it to bite something really hard, like a dry coconut shell. Damn, it's even stronger than I thought. Huh, why is this pair of underwear here?
Fire! Oh my god!
It seems like it's shocked by the smell.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay.